Good afternoon, traders. It is Friday, September 28th, 2018, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Hey, I don't like the end of months, I don't like bad days, and I don't like Fridays, and all three of those things kind of converged today. We had a rotten day today. Uh, Bad way to end September. September has been a rough month, and today didn't help any. We ended up closing out negative $2,700, and then we got into 8 new positions, 1 positive, 7 negative, and we're carrying negative $7,600 over the weekend. So that's a bad way to end September. Um, there's a lot going on in Washington right now, and I heard a commentator today say that it's amazing that the market is holding up, but for us, it's not good enough just to hold up. We need it to do some trending, and it's not doing that, and it's just making it very difficult to trade. I mean, you can just look at this chart these last 4 days, and you can see that this is a very difficult pattern to trade, and we're having trouble. This is going to change. I mean, and even though today September was a losing month, I've had a lot worse months than this, so we'll survive. But it's really frustrating. And if I knew it was going to keep up like this very long, I'd just take a vacation right now. But it all can turn around on a dime, so that's just the way it is. I normally show you my good trades. I won't do this today. I will show you 2 bad trades. Maybe break the jinx here. This first one is Fossil Incorporated, and you can see here what happened. We bought this right out of the gate yesterday. No, I'm sorry. I'm saying it wrong. That's actually an exit. We had a small profitable trade yesterday that we got out of in Fossil Incorporated, and then it popped up real strong today, and we ended up buying the top of the market, and then you can see here what happened. It sold off, and that sucker's costing us over $4,000 in an open trade loss. And not to be outdone, this is UGAZ, which is the natural gas bull. So if natural gas prices go up, this goes up. They go down, it goes down. And one of the things with these natural gas stops, DGAZ is the short position, UGAZ is the long position on natural gas, and of course they both do these gaps almost every morning, and of course usually, frequently, at least more often than not, the gaps are in our favor, but not always, and they were not in our favor today. We bought this thing midday yesterday, closed a little bit against us yesterday, but then big gap down, and that cost us $5,500. So that's how I started the day today. It was this big loss in UGAZ, and it was kind of downhill from there. Anyway, hey, I'm happy. I'm glad it's a weekend. You guys have a great weekend. Regardless of these horrible markets, I will be back here on Monday.